Hello everyone. Let's start with 10th question. Why a signal transmitted from a TV tower cannot be received beyond a certain distance? Write the expression for the optimum separation between the receiving and the transmitting antenna. In first part, we have to give the reason for transmitted from a TV tower cannot be received beyond a certain distance. Let's come for the solution. This is a reason. Because of the line nature of propagation, direct waves get blocked at some point of the curvature. Why? Because of this, waves cannot get transmitted to the TV. And the second part, we have to write the expression of the optimum surge separation between the receiving and the transmitting antenna. So D equals to root 2 HR is the equation where R is the radius of Earth, which is up to a certain distance from the TV, and the optimum separation between the receiving and the transmitting antenna will be root 2 h1 by r plus root 2 h by r, where h1 is the height of transmitting antenna and hr is the height of receiving antenna.